How to do affiliate marketing like a pro. The power of affiliate marketing is something that has helped numerous individuals achieve a level of success they never thought possible. The best way to fulfill your potential in this realm is to learn as much as you can about solid strategies and techniques. By using the tips and advice in this video, you will be equipped with some of the necessary strategies to succeed in the affiliate marketing world. Diversify your affiliate marketing strategy. Do not put all of your advertising eggs in a single basket. No matter how tightly you focus on a particular niche, you should be able to find more than one affiliate to partner with. Maintaining good relationships with multiple affiliates will give you a safety net in case one advertiser ceases to be profitable. Affiliates creating websites are going to need to link their sites directly to the main company's site, so this means you will need to know a little bit about site building and link building. Take your time to create an attractive, functioning site, and make sure that your links work well and lead straight to the pages your customers need to see. Post testimonials about your product or service on your website. Testimonials help to build trust, as they tend to help alleviate risk for a potential buyer. When a potential customer reads of another person's successes with your product, they will be apt to envision themselves in that person's shoes and become more likely to make the purchase. Affiliate marketing has provided many individuals with the sort of freedom of which they never dared dream. The critical step in achieving such success is to gain a thorough education in the proven methods of sound affiliate marketing. With a determination to apply these suggestions with attention to detail, you can join those who have made a success of it. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.